Phytologist's exclusive botanical scalp and hair concentrate is Phyto's most advanced thinning hair treatment. It addresses men and women who are experiencing loss of density and thickness of their hair, whether it is genetics or due to stress, fatigue, illness, or pregnancy, and seek to regain hair abundance and total beauty. 99% botanical, free of any drug or hormones, this cutting-edge scalp solution is the first of its kind, targeting the 4 attributes of hair thinning: density, thickness, strength, and shine. At the heart of Phytologist is a major discovery. The adipocytes, also known as fat cells found in the scalp tissue, have a key role in hair's natural formation and growth. Phyto Laboratories selected the 3 most effective plants to stimulate those fat cells. Indian gentian for hair that appears denser, fuller, and more voluminous. Scutellaria bicalensis to promote a natural, healthy, and thicker hair growth. Cacao, one of the most powerful antioxidant ingredients to promote a healthy scalp environment and stronger hair anchoring. Healthier, natural hair growth. Thicker, denser-looking hair. Shinier and more beautiful. How to use? Apply an entire vial onto clean, towel-dried scalp. Massage gently into the scalp. Hair is ready to be styled. Use 3 times a week for 3 months. A great way to introduce this product to your clients is to apply a bit to your client's hand. You will notice how fresh, delicately scented, and instantly absorbed the formula is. Remember, get thicker hair quicker in 3 months with this one-and-done product. Phytologist is a botanical revolution in a bottle.